Hello, everybody. This is Meghavarshini from AgriBubbles. I hope that these information will help you to get some knowledge. Who is the father of Golden Revolution in India? The father of Golden Revolution in India is that Nirpakh Totej. Nirpakh Totej. One block, one product scheme was launched by which state? And this scheme was launched by Chandigarh. Olympics 2024 is to be held at Paris, France. 2024 Olympics is to be held at Paris, France. Of course, you all might come across this symbol. This is the Olympic symbol, and it's highly important to know the colors of this Olympic symbol. And it may be asked in some Viva questions or even in the entrance exam questions, that is, competitive exam questions. First is that blue, yellow, black, green, and red have a shortcut of by BGR. By BGR. That is, B stands for blue, Y stands for yellow, BG, black, green, and R stands for red. And you should know or have the knowledge about its colors. And what does these five colors represent? These five colors represent the five continents, that is Asia, Africa, Europe, America, and Oceania. What's Oceania? Oceania represents the scattered islands in the Pacific Ocean as well the Australia. Who designed it? Who designed the Olympics flag? Do anyone know? It's Coubertin. Coubertin, who designed the Olympic symbol, and let's see him. This is Coubertin, and his full name is Spy Coubertin. What is this bedbug? Do you have any idea about it? Yes, it is a one of sucking insects. This bedbug was actually destroyed by the application of DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. But even now in France, there are huge amount of bedbugs, and it's hard to believe, but this is the true one. How do they eradicated bedbug? Is that by the application of DDT. But this DDT is very harmful and it is poisonous to humans. So the usage of DDT was actually prohibited by World Health Organization concerning with the health of humans. And what's the relationship between the bedbug and the France? Even now in the France, these bedbug are seen, and it is difficult to eradicate the mosquito than the bedbug because mosquito has a sense of flight but not the bedbug. This there is a standard instruction, that is not to harm the bedbug while it bites you. You should just keep it away yourself from it, because when you smash it, that is, even if a mosquito bites you, you just beat to it and the splashes of blood comes around you. So but you should not follow that for the bedbug, because the sap in the bedbug attracts its community to surround the place. So it is not good to smash or to beat the bedbug. There is a fact that the bedbug would make its bite, but it is not sensitized by the human, because at the same time of biting, simultaneously when it bites, it releases a fluid which makes us senseless. Occasionally, one or two times there might be some mistake, right, as humans. So one or two times when it fails to emit such a liquid, salivary liquid, that at that time we feel some irritation in our body, then we come across the bedbug at that time. And it is not often identified by such manner. Occasionally we could identify the bedbug. There is a fact that the bedbug could bite continuously for 100 times. It's really an amazing factor. So these bedbugs are not only found in homes, that is house, but also in the hotels and even in the theaters. We are that is, India is moreover free from bedbug, but not entirely. But To become free from mosquito, we should take some precautionary steps like that, avoiding open garbage system, and we should keep our home and our surrounding clean and tidy by closing all the water bodies, and to follow underground sewage systems and so on. I hope that you might have learned at least even a fact from this video. Thank you one and all. Keep supporting, keep watching. Thank you.